Welcome to Getting Comfortable with Technology. In this course, we will take things step by step to help you build confidence. Together, we will learn how to understand your devices, how to navigate them easily, and how to use them to make your daily life a little simpler. Today, in our very first lesson, we are going to explore the basics of your device and look at how it actually works. Well, indeed, today technology makes a huge part of our lives, and we use it to talk to family, to read the news, to share photos. But sometimes it can feel like a lot of different things are happening at once, right? Well, to make it simpler, try to see at your device not as a complex machine, but as a small team working together just for you. Think of it as a journey that starts with your touch. And first, there is the screen. This is your window. It's where you see everything and where you tell the device what you want to do. When you touch an icon, you're talking to an app. And apps are like helpful assistants, and each one has a specific job, like showing you the weather or helping you write a message. But for these assistants, to get you the latest information, they need a connection. And here is where the internet comes in. It acts like an invisible path bringing information from the outside world directly to a screen. So when you look at a photo sent by a friend, you aren't just using a phone. You're using a system where the screen shows the image, the app manages the message, and the internet brings it to you from miles away. And everything works together in harmony. And once you see this simple connection between the screen, the apps, and the internet, you will feel much more confident navigating the digital world. You're the one in control of the team. So, in the next lesson, we will take the next step together and look at how to navigate your screen with ease. Thank you so much and see you next time.